Hey everyone, welcome to my live full body workout. What I done on my full body workout, you guys, I was just doing arm circles, just warming up that body. You never want to work out on a cold body. You want to warm it up just a little bit, getting that mental ready, that mind ready to know that we about to work out. You want to stretch, making sure you practice on that breathing in. Breathing out, inhale, exhale, getting that mind ready, rotating that head for any neck aches that we might be having, stretching out. You guys make sure you like and comment and subscribe and share the video, you guys, so we can get this out to as many people as possible. We're stretching out those quads, the hamstrings, the legs, and I decided to do 30 jumping jacks for a little cardio, you all. So if you don't have any machines at the house, don't worry, your body is the machine. Just, do that jumping jacks. Then I went over to squats. Doing 30 squats. Take your time, hold your stomach in as tight, hold your glutes in tight, work at your own pace. The goal is 30. Do the best you can. Comment below, let me know as many as you were going to do. Use the chair for proper alignment. You may not understand how to do a squat and want to make sure that you're doing it correctly. So you don't want to use the chair to rest. That's what I was showing you. You want to take your time. Act like you're sitting down, but get back up as fast as possible. And the good thing about the chair, it is very gentle on your knees. Okay, then I went over to RDLs, making sure I'm not using weights right now. A lot of us like to use the dumbbells or, use a heavy weight. You can do that, no problem. But when getting the form correct, you want to make sure just use your body weight. That is enough. So awesome job. Make sure you guys be consistent. Do it every day. Try to aim for 30 to 40 every night, at least for 1 week. Then I went to target on that good morning for that stomach. You guys, this is an amazing stomach workout without lying down on the floor. For those that don't want to lay down on the floor, that's totally fine. These good mornings, work it out. Hold your stomach in tight. Hold your glutes in as tight as you can. Do not forget to breathe. Take your time. Do not hold your breath in. I did 30. You guys can start off with 10, 20, 30. Work your way up there. Take your time. Drink water. Make sure you're getting a proper rest. Make sure you add protein to your diet. And you got it. So then I wanted to focus on my lower stomach, just gently alternating my legs and nice little clap underneath each leg, tapping that chair to making sure that my knees is pretty much lifting as high up to pretty much my hip. Hey, you guys, like I say, stay consistent. Then I went to incline mountain climber. Instead of being on the floor, I am using the chair and making sure I bring my knee as close through pretty much the hands as you can as possible. Bring it up as high as you can. Hold your stomach in tight. Do not forget to breathe. Sometimes we like to hold our stomach breath. Do not hold your breath. Then I went over to reverse crunch using a chair, trying to target on that lower stomach. You guys are doing amazing. Let me know below how this working out. And yes, the challenge. You guys aim for between 30 to 60 to 1 minute. You got it.